Hello friends, this is my YouTube channel IT Blue. You can watch it for a strongly foundation of information technology and promises you to give you conceptual knowledge in computer. Keep watching for latest videos. Time to time I will come with the latest video in computer. Thank you. Okay students, in previous part of the video we have learned about the antivirus software and their features. Now we will move forward and continue from there in this sixth part of cyber safety. So we should learn these things. Let's start. It should have the capability to scan email attachments and files as they are downloaded from the internet. As we all know that the emails maybe contains the viruses, or whatever the files we are downloading might be contains virus. So the antivirus have the capability, have the features to be scanned whenever we will download. Next is the user should run full disk scan periodically. As I said in the previous video, we should scan full system scan periodically per week, or might be alternate week a day. Some good qualities antivirus softwares are here in form of example, like McAfee virus scan, Norton antivirus, Kaspersky, Quick Hill. Norton is a very good antivirus, but due to the heavy or excessive database of virus, it affect the speed a little bit, slow down the computer system. Okay, next is that tricky terms, means you can say that the definitions of entire cyber safety chapter. Cyber safety means being safe on the internet. It is called cyber safety. Internet privacy, privacy of user, their data on the internet, means whatever the data have been given on the internet, it should be safe and secure, is called internet privacy. Farming is a hacking activity to redirect a legitimate website visitors a different IP address, means redirect, change, whenever you are logging to the website or web page will be goes to the next website or web page, is called farming. Phishing, an internet fraud to trick people into revealing their sensitive information. It is a type of fraud where people can reveal means share their sensitive information through the trick on the internet. Spyware, a software that gather data about the users by hacking their internet behavior and send it to another party without their consent, means making a spy of your system, of your data, of your information through the internet without your knowledge to other people, or those who have sent the spyware to the computer system revert back to them. Malware, a malicious software that infiltrates and harms a computer. Malware is a malicious software, virus containing software that can infiltrate and harms, means slow down, harms your computer system. Cyber stalking, act of threatening, harassing, embarrassing, teasing, or abusing a person through an online media, means through the online with the help of internet, via social media or via message, via email. If threatening will be there, harassing will be there, embarrassing will be there, teasing will be there, abusing will be there, all these kinds of activity is called cyber stalking. Virus, a malware that can make copies of itself and infect other programs and files. Viruses are a type of malware, malicious software, which can copy itself or infect the program or file, often in a harmful way. Computer, means the viruses are always harmful because they can steal your computer system. Computer worms, a malware that can reproduce and spread to another computer system without any human action. Worms are those kind of malicious program or software which can replicate himself and spread within a computer as well as within the network or group of system we are sharing the information. Trojan horse, a malware that appears useful at first but is actually programmed to pass the user's data or access right to someone else, which can attack to the computer system and access your information, stealing your information, and might be the passes the information from one computer to the another computer system when it is connected with the internet. Antivirus software, a program designed to detect and remove malware. A software or program which is designed to detect the malwares and remove and repair the malware affected program. Okay, now some important points regarding it. Confidentiality of information means that information should stay confidential and by available only to authorized people, means the information should keep confidential and only accessible by authorized people. That is called confidentiality of information. The safety tip to safely browse the web and using social network are identity protection, using password properly, privacy and confidentiality of information. Under the safety of your information on the internet or social platform should be safe your identity protection, password properly, privacy protection and confidentiality of information. Never reveal your identity and personal information while online. Never should reveal the personal identity or information on online. Give them simple information but not a very confidential. A 10-character password is considered to be sufficiently secure. At least 10 character with the combination of alphabet, number, special characters. A password should contain uppercase and lowercase alphabets, number and special character. As I said that, always use preventive software applications such as an antivirus, anti-malware, anti-spam program and firewall in your computer system. Prevention is better than cure. So you will use the software like antivirus, anti-malware, anti-spam program, firewall in your computer system. Nowadays, all these are combined together is called total antivirus security. Right? Always report the cyber crime. Do not be silent victim. Whenever you have suffered with the cyber crime, so you should report them. Do not be silent. Never stop that. You should complain. To safely access the websites, make sure that your computer is not affected by malware. Whenever you are safely accessing the website, make sure that your computer is not affected with malware. Should be careful about that. So you will use the antivirus. An antivirus software should run in the background all the time in your computer system. Yes, antivirus always running in the background like mobile apps, and they will scanning the virus and malwares. That's it. That's it for cyber safety. This is the final part of cyber safety chapter. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thanks for watching my videos. And if you will like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Thank you very much.